Hey guys, welcome back to Rattle Together. I am looking right now, or you guys are looking right now, at our first freed butterfly. Jane and I came out to Monolith Garden to free them. So she's trying to help them out one at a time. That last one just got right on her finger, and she moved him right over to the...
None of them want to leave.
Do you want to stay forever?
Okay.
Unfortunately, on our way here, one of our butterflies was injured. Why don't you bring the plate out? Well, it's this guy. He's not dead. He's tried to get up a few times. But unfortunately, I don't think he's going to make it.
Hey, one of them's coming on my finger. Oh my gosh. It just... Come on. You gonna come on? He was just getting on my finger. Oh my gosh. Come on.
There he goes.
This way.
You know what? I bet if we turn the tent on its side that they will just fly out. Should we do that? Take the stuff out? Yeah. I'm going to turn this tent over like this and see if they'll come out. It might take them a minute. Jane's trying to help. Oh, here's another one on her finger. Oh. He wants to say hi. Oh, I don't even see him. He's gone.
Going towards the right ones.
He's long gone. Okay.
They're like, let me stay.
This one really likes this yellow flower. He's happy there.
Yeah.
Nope, he does not want to come out. We have two left in there?
Yeah, two. Get all the way up. Here we go.
Oh, we've got another one on Jane's finger. Look at that. Super cool. Whoa. Try and put him on the flower.
There we go.
There he goes.
Now we're back. He's facing the other way. Okay. Oh my gosh.
There we go.
Come on. There.
Oh, you're getting too close to the camera. It can't focus on it. All right, let him go on to a flower. Try and put him right with the other two, so that maybe we can get a picture of the three of them together at least.
Go on this one. There you go.
Oh, careful, Jane. Don't step backwards.
Okay. Needs a bigger one.
He doesn't like that one. Put him right.
Hang on.
Jane, what are you doing?
What about another flower?
No, put him. Come on. We gotta finish this video.
Aw, poor thing.
I know.
Maybe here. This one?
There you go. Beautiful. All right, my friends. I hope you enjoyed seeing these butterflies be freed. They are in their natural habitat. Oh, Jane's got the one that was injured. He's flapping his wings. Put him on a flower so that at least he can get some. There he is. He's moving down there. Just leave him, Jane, because I think, yeah. All right. You guys.
So could we leave the strawberries?
No. Yeah, we can leave the strawberries, but not the other stuff. We take everything else with us. We're taking everything out of the park. All right. I hope that you enjoyed watching them be freed.
Look at that one.
Have a good night.